Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to use the Watch Together feature on Facebook Messenger. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video to use the Watch Together feature on Facebook Messenger. Go tap open your Facebook Messenger application and if necessary sign into your account. Once you're signed into your account, then you're in your chat screen. Go and select one of your contacts with whom you'd like to use the Watch Together feature. Once you're on the conversation screen with a particular contact, go and tap on the video icon at the top of the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to make a video call. In order to watch together, you'll need to first start a video call, or you can create a messenger room once you make a video call. Wait for the contact to pick up your call first. Once you pick up your call, drag the menu at the bottom and then tap on Watch Together under Things to Do Together. Once your tabs are watched together, you'll be able to see different tabs displayed. You can either search for videos in the search box by typing the name of the video in the search box or select the videos from the display. You can also select a video from the suggested category, from the music category, from the watched category, and much more. Select the video that you would like to watch together and there you go. Now with this, you and your friends are watching the video together. That is how it is done. In order to cancel the videotape, on the cross button at the upper right, and to end the call, tap on the red button, and that is it. That is how you can easily use the Watch Together feature on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.